SODACHE. What's SODACHE?
SODACHE stands for Song, Dance, Cheer, and it's an embodiment of our Hwa Chong spirit. It's what binds the entire Hwa Chong family together, from the first batch right up to the current one.
Through singing, dancing, and cheering with all of your friends, it's what makes Hwa Chong unique, and what makes us such a heartwarming and tightly-knit community.
Sounds exciting, but I still don't know what SODACHE is. Can you show me more? Of course!
Follow us!
Who are they?
So stands for song, and they are our song ICs.
年少时候，谁没有梦？无意之中，你将心愿透露。
Wow! What about them?
Da stands for dance.
Oh, hey there! We are your
Dance ICs. And right now, we're practicing for next year's batch dance.
Yeah, should we show them a sneak peek of our move?
Sure. I ain't worried about it right now.
Oh, that's so cool!
Right.
Oh, what about them?
Those are our cheer ICs.
Rocket J! Go! One! Here at Hwa Chong, we want everybody to be a part of the vibrant school culture, so your 2 years here can be filled with memorable and fulfilling experiences. SODACHE is a tradition that's been passed down for many generations. During our mass events like the Mid-Autumn Festival or J1 Orientation, we guarantee you will create memories of a lifetime.
Wow, that's so cool! Can I be a part of it too?
Of course.
Wow! With that,
God Spirit, join us!